Welcome to BCH Technologies, your premium source for printer ink, office supplies, and more. Today we are going to show you how to install BCH Continuous Ink System for Canon Pro 9000 Mark II. The product can be found at www.bchtechnologies.com under Ink Systems, then Ink System for Canon, or type CS-CN-Pro 9000 in the search bar. Inside the box, you will find external tanks, cartridges, and a bag of accessories. First, we need to prime external tanks. A CIS tank is divided into two chambers. The bigger chamber holds ink. The smaller chamber regulates air pressure. You need to let the ink flow into the bigger chamber. Ink level in the bigger chamber will be higher than the small chamber. The small chamber's top needs to be open to the air. For the clear tank H model, an air filter needs to be installed. For the black D model, it is filterless. You need to close the box lid. Now let's do it. With the bigger side of color plug facing you, tilt and rotate the tank towards you. You will see ink flow to the big tank. Now set the tank up straight. You will see ink level differences between two chambers. The tank needs to be placed next to the printer, so the print head's level will be within the range of big and small ink tank level. Now open the printer and remove OEM cartridges. Set the cartridges upside down, so the ink will not pour out from the bottom. Take out the accessories bag and find 8 silicone washers. A washer has a short side and longer side. Having short side towards you and longer side towards the printer, install 8 washers on top of ink intake. Now take the bundle of cartridges. With the plastic tab towards you, remove the clip from the front. Use the plastic tab as a pivot. Rotate the clip and it will come off the cartridge. Install them one by one. The cartridge's LED should light up. The orange clip can be used to save the OEM cartridge. If a cartridge doesn't light up, check the connection between the chip and the base. Move the cartridge back and forth, see how long the tube it will need. Install the tube support arm. Notice, the tape glue will take about 24 to 48 hours to cure. You may want to use a paper clip to hold it in the position for the first few days. Use a paper towel to prevent ink splash. Remove the small end of color plug and install air filters. The big end of the color plug is for refilling ink. The big end should be closed during operation. Use the clip to route ink tubes. Once the support arm is installed, you will not be able to close the lid. Insert a piece of paper into the lid trigger. Now the printer is ready. Your CIS is equipped with auto reset chips. It only resets itself when the ink is considered depleted. Low ink warnings, like this one, will not trigger the reset. You cannot reset it manually. Now the printer thinks the magenta is depleted and sends a cartridge cannot be detected message. The auto reset chip is ready to be reset. Open and close the lid. In our case, remove and reinsert the paper. We'll reset the magenta back to full again. I hope you enjoy this video. Visit us on www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at our office at Greensboro, North Carolina. Happy printing! See you next refill. Cheers!